Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at Tech Car Moon we uncover tech at home and in video. So hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But today I'm going to be showing you one of the best speakers for under £30 that I've tried and I thought was worth sharing with you guys. So let's uncover it right now. This speaker is the Tribit XSound Go, and this speaker genuinely packs a huge punch for its price, and this is really surprising. Now, this isn't a new product from them, but it's definitely one of their winning products for sure. Just to let you know, this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. They did send this out to me, but as always, my thoughts will be mine alone. With over 9,500 reviews on Amazon with a 4.5 star rating, I just had to check it out and see what the fuss was with this. Now, in quarantine, I've been on my phone and laptop quite a bit, and let's be honest, the dedicated speakers on those are just not brilliant. Even one of my favorite YouTubers, the Everyday Dad, couldn't stand the iPhone speakers for watching videos and music or whatever he was using it for. So having a good speaker like this might have solved his problem. So when I got my hands on this, and I just had to pair them straight away to my devices, and I loved how easy and fast it was to pair. They do use a Bluetooth 4.2 connection, which is good. I would have liked to have seen Bluetooth 5.0 as it is a much newer and sort of more stable, more reliable connection, but for 30 quid, I can't really complain. So let's run down the design before we get into the sound quality and the loudness. The speaker is made really well and feels solid. This has this rubberized satin texture to it, which feels really nice in the hand. The only thing that I would say lets it down is this sort of cheap shoestring thing that, you know, you can place things, which to be honest, I replaced straight away with this cheap leather cord that I bought from eBay for about, I think, £1. I think that this sort of leather cord matches sort of the quality and style of this speaker, hence why I thought I'd just take the initiative and do the upgrade myself. The great thing with this speaker is that it's IPX7 water resistant, meaning it's no problem to have this by your shower or in the shower or by the pool. I mean, it sort of really matches the sort of ruggedness of this speaker and being able to take it pretty much anywhere you go. The buttons on the top feel tactile and feel good to press as well. By the way, this controls things like power, your pairing process, as well as pause and play, and your volume controls and skip stations and tracks as well. On the front, we have two really nice 6-watt drivers, which are powered by a 4400 milliamp hour battery. Now, this is rated for up to 24 hours of playback, and trust me, this gets pretty close to that claim, which is awesome. At max volume, it does sort of drop off a little bit, but it only takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge this speaker. On the back of this thing, we have this water resistant flap, which reveals a 3.5mm jack for connecting up sort of your iPod or anything like that, as well as a micro USB port for charging. Fortunately, there's no USB-C, which isn't really a deal breaker, but it would have been nice to see, obviously. I do like USB-C on all my devices. So let's get into the important thing and let's do a sound test to see what this thing is like and how it sounds. Now, I'll be doing it at 50% and 100%, so see what the difference is and see if we see any loss in quality at the higher volumes. As you could probably hear or not hear, the clarity was really nice and the bass was impressive. This isn't the deepest bass. I mean, for its size, the bass is pretty good. And as I mentioned before, this is one of the best sounding speakers, especially for the under £30 category. I mean, it packs a punch for speakers sort of double that price. Just to let you know, on the top, it does have a built-in microphone, which isn't really the best microphone. I'm not sure why they included it, but to be fair, who really uses the microphone in your speakers anyway? If you need a Bluetooth speaker but don't have a huge amount of money to spend on a speaker, then you really can't go wrong with this. It's really rugged. It holds up really well for sort of chucking it in and out of a bag, or, you know, throwing it around the house. And the quality is really nice. I didn't have any problems with sort of dropping out in sound. The sound quality is also amazing for its sort of size and price. And the buttons feel tactile. I mean, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like I said, the only thing that I really didn't like was that shoestring attachment, which I ended up replacing anyway from an item on eBay for £1. So it's not really a huge thing. And to be fair, it's easy to remove as well. Overall, this is a brilliant speaker. And if you got £30 and you need one, this is the one to go for. No question about it. But there we have it. As always, this is a discussion. So leave a comment down below if you've already got one of these, or you picked yourself up one as well. Let me know what your thoughts are on it. Also, check out the links in the description below, as they do support the channel, guys. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCarMoon. I'm a little bit more active on Twitter, if I'm honest. Also, drop me a like if you've enjoyed this video and you thought it was helpful. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Click on these videos just over here if you want to watch more from me as well. Anyway, everyone, look after yourselves, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.